Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I want to thank you for hitting that play button today. If this is your very first time stopping by the channel, my name is Chuck. I'm very honored that you're here today. Special shout out to all my Ease family. That's everybody who's already hit that subscribe button and that bell button. If you haven't already done that, definitely do that. Here on this channel, we do nothing but Corvettes. 98% of the time, every now and then a Jeep video. But today we're actually headed out to an event with our Corvette Club. And so we're gonna have some footage of just a bunch of Corvettes. And then stay tuned, because at some point during this, we are going to have a really cool montage of the ZR1 out on the road. So you guys have been asking to see that type of footage. I finally got everything's dialed in, and it's finally time to start getting some actual videos with the Corvette, with the ZR1. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. So let's go ahead and roll some footage of today's event with the Corvette Club.
These roads intersect, on each one I reflect. These lines write my story. These places change me, each one replacing, like night into morning. I miss the open air, the going anywhere, riding with you like we used to. Guess I'm better off alone, never know when I'll get home, but I know that home's where the heart is. Guess I'm better off this way, moving to better days, but I know that home's where the heart is. Home's where the heart is. The endless journey, I need not worry, I'll get where I'm going. I made it this far, beyond where you are, and I'll keep on growing. I miss the open air, the going anywhere, riding with you like we used to. Guess I'm better off alone, never know when I'll get home, but I know that home's where the heart is. Guess I'm better off this way, moving to better days, but I know that home's where the heart is. Home's where the heart is.
If you're here for the very first time, I want to showcase to you today my wife's 2017 Grand Sport. Her name is Fearsome, and this is my 2019 ZR1, and her name is Fearless.
Over the edge, like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
What a blessing it is to own two amazing American icons. You know, for my wife to be able to get out and, you know, we've been out cruising together, and I think it's just more enjoyable for her. I mean, yeah, she likes coming along with me and sitting, but I can tell just, you know, the smile on her face and her getting out. She's more excited to get out and drive with the Corvettes. And, you know, we just had a great time. This is going to be a good time for us. If we want to get out, take our son somewhere, you know, we can all four of us get out and go out and have a great time. So, you know, if you ever get the opportunity and your spouse, you know, likes to drive cars, you know, whether they're new or not, getting out and cruising with your significant other and just kind of, we've got walkie-talkies, so we talk back and forth to one another, and, you know, just having an amazing time. Contemplating whether or not I want to actually record to break in the carbon ceramic, so you have to go 0 to 60, and basically 0 to 60 and slam on the brakes, and you have to do that 50 times to wear these pads and the rotors in, kind of marry them together. I think that, I mean, now if you guys could smell what I would be smelling, then it would be worth probably doing, because the fumes from the brake pads and everything can get quite nauseous from what I hear. But we've got two cars. Carrie is going to break in her own, so we're going to be doing that probably later on this week. We've got a particular area that we know we can go to where there's very little traffic and there's lots of straightaways where we'll be able to do this. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to put some cameras on the cars, and you guys watch us do that. Again, I like putting videos on that people would want to watch. And I know some of the videos are just how-to videos, and not everybody wants to watch those. I will also be doing a video on how to install the Max 360. I'm going to show you how to wire that in, hot wire that in, and for, you know, that's for anybody who has a C7 that wants to get one and mount it directly in and not have a wire coming down. So I'll be doing that this week as well, or probably latter part of this week, and put that video up for you guys next week. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Again, just kind of show off the cars a little bit with some drone footage and, you know, just some rolling shots of the car. But guys, until I see you at the next video, I hope each and every one of you have a blessed week. Now, let's check out some of your beautiful rides.
I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you Hindsight is fleeting, oh, and your heart's bleeding, and all you can see is red, till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then, or what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead, 'cause I